This is a shower head by SPOREYE. I don't know if I'm saying that name right. It's got 10 modes, handheld shower head. So I'm just going to show you everything that comes in the box. You've got your shower head, and you can see it's got pretty good, a bunch of different options there. It's got 2 buttons on the back for 2 different modes, and also this turns. So you've got your 10 modes here. And then it also comes with all of the fixtures that you need, and the hose as well. Installation guide, so fairly easy to install this guy. And it's even got some extra threading so that you can make sure that you're not getting any leaks. So it gives you that extra plumbing thread that you might need. Like, it's called plumbing tape or whatever it is. But anyway, I just wanted to give you another like close up on how good that looks. So thank you for sending this to me to review. I really appreciate it. Yeah, this is a great little, cute little item. 10 different spray settings, deliver an ultimate showering experience. Handheld shower, it comes with the bracket, the stainless steel, the washers, the anti-leak Teflon tape, and the guide. Everything you need to install a new luxury shower.